Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Kris, and today we're doing something real different. So you guys know that I get my Boxycharm every single month, right? But this month I decided to switch it up a bit, and I am actually going to be reviewing my Ipsy bag because I've never had Ipsy before, as well as my Boxycharm. So that's what we're doing. If this is what you're interested in, this is going to be the video for you. So we're doing Ipsy versus Boxycharm. Who y'all got? Okay, because you know I'm a Boxycharm girl. We're going to see what's in these boxes and which one is the better value. Now, before we jump into this video, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and smash that notification bell because you don't want to miss a video in the future. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, baby. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's start with the underdog first, y'all. Okay, so this is my Ipsy bag. This is how it came, which first and foremost, the Boxycharm comes in this box that I typically throw away once the products have gone into my beauty regimen. But I'm really liking this Ipsy bag. Like, I don't know, it's given, you know, I can take this bag with me on vacation. Okay, so let's see the products that we got. So this is the May box. So I know we about to be in June, but this is the May box, and it was called Flower Power. So this is the info card, I'm assuming. This is not the info card. I don't know what this is. This is not the info card. But, okay, let's get into the first product. So first we have the Ofra Blush Rose Blush. There we go. And let me open this up so y'all can see it. First of all, the packaging is super simple, super simplistic. Love that. And like I said, the color is Blush Rose. I really like this color. It's pretty. This is what it looks like. So as far as, I'm not sure why I don't have any details. Maybe I misplaced it. I'm in the dark on this, okay? I'm in the dark. Super cute packaging. It is blush. I have nothing else further to say. It's really cute. This is Ofra Cosmetics. So I'm gonna have to take everything out because, okay, so you got the bag, but you also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. That's similar to the Boxycharm, which is good. 5 products is good. They are full-size products, which I appreciate. So the next product is gonna be the Tarte. They gave us a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I'm guessing it's a lip product in the color Rose. It's actually very pretty packaging. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. And I guess it's a pen, and you basically push it up here. I'm not pushing it up because I'm not using it just yet. This is what the front of the product looks like. Super cute. So I'm liking this. So what I'll do is, because I don't have an info card, is I will basically find the links to all of these products so you can know what their price point is in retail, like normally, because obviously I don't know. So the next product we have is from SHEIN, and so everything seems to be everything in this particular box, the color seems to be rose, because this is a raw organic shea butter, and it says right here that the color is rose. Let's open it. Ooh, so it's really just a shea butter. I guess you could keep this in your purse, or like probably somebody like me would keep this in the car, because I love to have like a hand lotion after I put on all my hand sanitizers. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty, and like I said, I will link the retail price for this in the description box, because clearly I don't have it. So this is the next product. Let's open this up. Okay, so I love anything that's like medicine dropper like this. This is super cute. So the name of this product is Clarity, and it's the Get Balanced Probiotic Serum, and it hydrates, smooth, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So let me tell y'all something. And this is just for people that clearly follow my channel. My son is in the back doing his own thing, and you can hear him. I am having a problem with fine lines on my forehead. So I actually have been considering Botox, but that's a different story time, okay? But this says that it should help with that, and I actually am going to try this, put this into my beauty regimen, and I love the way it looks like medicinal. Super cute. So I have not, it's called Get Balanced Probiotic Serum, and it says number 2, so I'm guessing this is the number 2 product that you would use in a specific line, but I will try this in my beauty routine anyway. And then the last product is Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I love getting me some free Fenty Beauty, okay? This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fly Pencil Long Wear Pencil Eyeliner, okay? And this is the color Cause I'm Black. Cause I'm Black. And this is what it looks like. It's a regular eyeliner. So it's not like a liquid liner. My son's coming in here. Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the product. Super cute. It's almost like a lavender-ish color pencil, but it's a regular pencil. It's not like liquid liner, as I was saying. Put this back, and I will link the price below. So those are the 5 products that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back in my baggie. I actually like all of these products. I would use them all. So, Boxy, what you giving? Okay, what are you giving? What are you giving? Okay, so next product is the next thing is gonna be this Boxycharm box. So let's open her up. We do have our info card here. This is the Boxycharm, and this is the theme for this box is Flourish. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Let's take these products out. Okay, make sure you guys, if you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, go ahead, like and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So the first product that we have, let me go off of the info card. The first product that we had is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and that is this product right here. It retails, the MSRP for this is $27. Wait a minute, and the color I got is Auroral. Okay, so this is what she looks like, and it's the Shape Tape Glow Wand. I personally am not a fan of the Shape Tape, but I know a lot of people who love the Shape Tape, okay? And this is what she's giving. So I'm assuming that I would turn the knob here and it would come out of this little, it's kind of like spongy, like similar to a beauty blender type material, and you would pat it on your eye, which seems plausible. And it says an instant eye lift in a tube. So it basically supposed to lift your eyes. So the next thing we have is the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. That is this right here. Let me open her up. This is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty, super sleek. Anything that comes in black packaging to me is super sleek. Open her up. Let's see what colors we got. Okay, so this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades. So this MSRP's at $52. So they have colors such as Twinkle Twinkle, Terracotta, Luna, Sand, Georgia Peach, all of these. I actually really like these colors. So I think that this is a good type of palette for day and nighttime, because I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I've been doing just very neutral colors on my eyes. I've not been doing very like bright colors, and I've seemed to like it that way. Like that has been giving me life recently. So I think I'm definitely gonna be using this particular palette. So I like this. I love when I get like a palette. Boxycharm is famous for palettes, y'all. Let me just tell you. So the next thing we have is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. vegan friendly makeup brushes. These are super pretty, y'all. Y'all know my makeup brushes have literally flourished since I've been getting my Boxycharm. These are super soft though. Look at the colors of these. This is how all of them look. Super pretty for summer and spring. So these MSRP at $30, and they are vegan and they're handcrafted. And you can use them for subtle and dramatic looks. So I'm a fan of that. So the next thing we got is the Tristique refillable brow pencil. And I needed this today because, y'all, I am not having a good time with my eye pencils. If y'all know some different type of eye pencils that I need to be trying, please let me know in the comment section below, because y'all, I think I'm struggling. Okay, so this is the Tristique pencil. It MSRP is at $26, and it is in the color mocha. And this is what, so it looks like this, but it's like a retractable pencil, and this is the color of it, which I think I'll appreciate. And I like how it's slanted, because that typically is how your eyebrows work. So the last thing that we got in our Boxycharm box is the Sofia and Maybelle Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. So this is the packaging, and this retailed at $15. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. This Hydrating Hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lip stain. Okay, so this is, the color on this is Topless, and this is the color of it. So it's like a nude. I love a good nude, y'all. I feel like, y'all know, all I wear is nudes, okay? So this is super cute. So what do I think about each of these boxes? I think maybe I'm gonna have to get one more box, because truth be told, I like both of these boxes, y'all. They gave me everything that I need, and I did not think I was gonna like this Ipsy box so much. Honestly, I believe that I just really lost the Ipsy info card, but other than that, I really like these. I mean, honestly, I really like them. So I can't choose a winner. I can't choose a winner this month. Maybe I will do it again next month. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, I'm gonna give it one more month, y'all, because I like both of them. That's the thing, I like both of them. So I'm gonna give it one more month, and y'all can tell me, y'all choose. Y'all tell me which is the best box, okay? And I'm gonna go from there. So if y'all liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up so that I can make sure to do similar videos to this in the future, okay? I look forward to hearing you, and I will see you guys in the next video.